Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you view your hobbies. Have you ever thought about how your passion projects could actually lead to some significant tax benefits? In this video, we'll explore the secret tax advantages that come with turning your hobbies into potential income streams. Whether you're an avid gardener, a crafty DIY enthusiast, or a weekend photographer, there are ways to leverage your interest for financial gain while also enjoying the perks of tax deductions. We'll break down the different types of hobbies that can qualify for tax benefits, share tips on how to keep track of your expenses, and discuss the importance of turning your hobby into a business. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to maximize your tax advantages, but also feel inspired to embrace your passions in a whole new light. So, stick around as we uncover the hidden financial opportunities that lie within your favorite pastimes. Let's get started on this exciting journey to discover how your hobbies can work for you. Understanding hobbies and tax deductions. When it comes to tax deductions, it's essential to understand the fine line between a hobby and a business. The IRS defines a hobby as an activity you engage in primarily for enjoyment, while a business is pursued with the intent to make a profit. This distinction is crucial because it determines how you can deduct expenses related to your activities. According to IRS guidelines, if your hobby generates income, you can deduct certain expenses, but only up to the amount of income earned. This means you can't claim a loss on your tax return if your hobby expenses exceed your income. Additionally, hobby-related expenses must be ordinary and necessary, which means they should be common in your field and helpful for your activity. Many people mistakenly believe that any money spent on a hobby can be deducted, but that's not the case. For example, if you spend thousands on equipment for a hobby that doesn't generate income, those expenses won't qualify for deductions. Understanding these nuances can help you navigate the tax landscape more effectively and ensure you're making the most of your hobbies while staying compliant with IRS regulations. Identifying deductible expenses. When it comes to hobbies, understanding which expenses are deductible can significantly impact your tax return. Common deductible expenses include supplies, equipment, and even travel costs related to your hobby. For instance, if you're a painter, the cost of canvases, paints, and brushes can be deducted. Similarly, if you're into photography, expenses for cameras, lenses, and editing software may qualify. If your hobby requires you to travel, such as attending workshops or exhibitions, you can also deduct travel expenses, including transportation and lodging, as long as they are directly related to your hobby activities. Keeping accurate records is essential for substantiating these claims. Maintain a detailed log of all expenses, including receipts and invoices, to ensure you have proof of your purchases. Organizing your records can be as simple as creating a dedicated folder or using accounting software to track your expenses throughout the year. Being able to substantiate your claims is crucial, especially if the IRS questions your deductions. Having clear documentation not only supports your claims but also provides peace of mind during tax season. By understanding and tracking your deductible expenses, you can maximize your tax benefits while enjoying your favorite hobbies. Case studies. Real-life examples. Let's take a look at some inspiring real-life examples of individuals who have turned their hobbies into tax-saving opportunities. Meet Sarah, an avid gardener who transformed her passion for plants into a small business. By selling her homegrown vegetables at local farmers markets, she not only earned extra income but also deducted expenses for seeds, soil, and gardening tools. This allowed her to reduce her taxable income while enjoying her favorite pastime. Then there's Mike, a photography enthusiast who started offering portrait sessions on weekends. He was able to deduct costs for his camera equipment, editing software, and even travel expenses when he shot at different locations. By treating his hobby as a side business, Mike maximized his deductions while doing what he loves. These examples illustrate how various hobbies can lead to different deductions. Whether you're crafting, baking, or even blogging, there are potential tax benefits waiting to be discovered. We encourage you to think creatively about your own hobbies. Consider how you might turn your passion into a side hustle and explore the tax advantages that could come with it. You might be surprised at the financial benefits that lie within your interests. Common mistakes to avoid. When it comes to claiming hobby-related tax benefits, there are several common pitfalls that can lead to audits or denied deductions. One major error is failing to differentiate between hobby and business expenses. If you claim hobby losses without demonstrating a profit motive, the IRS may disallow your deductions, leading to potential penalties. Another mistake is not keeping thorough records of expenses. Without proper documentation, such as receipts and invoices, you may struggle to substantiate your claims if questioned by the IRS. Additionally, many individuals overlook the importance of understanding IRS rules regarding hobby deductions, which can vary significantly from business deductions. To avoid these mistakes, start by familiarizing yourself with IRS guidelines on hobby-related expenses. Keep meticulous records of all transactions related to your hobby, and consider using accounting software to track your income and expenses. It's also wise to consult with a tax professional who can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation. By being proactive and informed, you can navigate the complexities of hobby-related tax benefits and ensure you're maximizing your deductions while minimizing the risk of an audit. Remember, knowledge is your best defense when it comes to tax time. Maximizing your hobby's tax benefits. If you're looking to maximize the tax benefits from your hobbies, consider turning your passion into a side business. By doing so, you can unlock greater deductions and potentially increase your income. Start by identifying ways to monetize your hobby, whether it's selling handmade crafts online, offering classes, or providing services related to your interest. This shift not only allows you to enjoy your hobby, but also opens the door to a wider range of deductible expenses. Planning and organization are key to successfully navigating the tax landscape. Create a dedicated workspace for your hobby, and keep detailed records of all income and expenses. This includes receipts for supplies, equipment, and any related travel costs. By staying organized, you'll make it easier to track your financial activities and substantiate your claims come tax season. Lastly, don't hesitate to consult with tax professionals for personalized advice tailored to your unique situation. They can help you understand the nuances of tax laws and ensure you're taking full advantage of available deductions. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively maximize your hobby's tax benefits while enjoying the process of turning your passion into a profitable venture. In today's video, we explored the fascinating world of hobby-related tax benefits and how you can turn your passions into financial advantages. We discussed the important distinction between hobbies and businesses, highlighting how understanding IRS guidelines can help you identify which expenses are deductible. We also shared real-life examples of individuals who successfully leveraged their hobbies for tax savings, illustrating the potential that lies within your interests. As you reflect on your own hobbies, we encourage you to think creatively about how they might lead to potential deductions. Whether it's crafting, gardening, or photography, there are opportunities waiting to be discovered. Remember, keeping organized records and consulting with tax professionals can further enhance your ability to maximize these benefits. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content focused on financial literacy and tax strategies. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to explore ways to make your finances work for you.